guys, welcome back to my channel Aditya Smash Vlog. I am Aditya Jiva George and today I am going to teach you the continuation of addition part 4, which is 3 numbers addition. This concept is not too hard. It's same like the 2 numbers addition. Just adding one more number to it. Like 1 plus 2 plus 3. We have to add these 2 numbers first. When we add these 2 numbers first, we will get like 1 plus 2, it is equal to 3. When we add, we got 3. Then we have to add this number to this. 3 plus 3, 3 number 3, and after 3 it is 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Now I gave the explanation of 3 numbers addition. If 3 or more number comes, we can do the same rule itself. Like this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. We have to add these 4 numbers. It's same. We have to add these both numbers first. 1 plus 2 it is 3. Then 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 it is equal to 6. This is how 3-digit numbers addition is done. Like if more numbers come, we can use this step itself. Now we can do this addition. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 it is equal to 3. Now we have to add 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. 3 remains 3 and after 3 it is 4, 5, 6. Now we have to add 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. 6 in your mind, 4 in your mind. And after 6 it is 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. If more numbers come like this, you can apply the same method. Now we can do this addition. Last time I taught you only addition with 2 numbers. Now we can do 3 number addition. So we have to start adding from ones place. Ones place the numbers are 7, 2, 1. 7 in your mind, 2 in your hand. After 7 it is 8, 9. When we add these both we got 9. 9 plus 1 it is equal to 10. So it is a 2-digit number, right? 10s and 1s and add 10 here. The ones place it is 10. 0 here. And in 1 is a carryover here. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 in your mind, 2 in your hand. After 6 it is 7, 8. 8 plus 1 it is 9. 3 plus 1 it is 4. 4 plus 4 it is a 4 in your mind, 4 in your hand. After 4 it is 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 890. Now we can add these 3 numbers. Numbers are 5144, 6234, 2112. So we have to start from the ones place. 4 plus 4. 4 in your mind, 4 in your hand. After 4 it is 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 2. 8 in your mind, 2 in your hand. After 8 it is 9, 10. Write 10s and 1s here. 10s in the ones place, 0 is coming. So write 0 and 1 as a carryover. 1 plus 4. It is equal to 5. 5 plus 3. 5 in your mind, 3 in your hand. After 5 it is 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1 it is equal to 9. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 1. 2 in your mind, 1 in your hand. After 2 it is 3. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 it is 4. 4 here. And 5 plus 6. 6 in your mind, 5 in your hand. After 6 it is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 2. 11 in your mind, 2 in your hand. After 11 it is 12, 13. So a 2-digit number is coming, right? 13 here. Ones place it is 3 and there is no place here. So we have to add one more place, that is 10,000. 10,000 is represented as ETH. So write the carryover here. In the tens place it is 1. So write 1 here as a carryover. And there is no number here. So we have to write 1 down here directly. So the answer is 13,000. Because the 10,000 place is coming, we read it like 13,490. Now we can add these both numbers. Numbers are 655 plus 752 plus 711. So we have to start addition from ones place. 5 plus 2 is equal to 5 in your mind, 2 in your hand. After 5 it is 6, 7. Here when we add these both we got 7. 7 plus 1 it is equal to 8. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. And 10 plus 1 it is equal to 11. So here we have to write tens and ones, write 11. The ones place it is 1 and here 1 as a carryover. 1 plus 6 it is equal to 7. 7 plus 7, 7 in your mind, 7 in your hand. After 7 it is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 7, take 14 in your mind, 7 in your hand. After 14 it is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So a 2-digit number is coming, right? 2, 21 here. In the ones place it is 1, so right here. And add one more unit place, that is thousands here. And add the tens place number. Here the tens place number is 2. So write 2 as a carry over here. As there is no number here, we can write the 2 direct down. So the answer is 2118. Now we can do one more problem. We can start the addition from the ones place. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 it is 3. 3 plus 3, 3 in your mind, 3 in your hand. After 3 it is 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 3, 4 in your mind, 3 in your hand. After 4 it is 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 7 in your mind, 2 in your hand. After 7 it is 8, 9. 5 plus 3, 5 in your mind, 3 in your hand. After 5 it is 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1 it is 9. 1 plus 2 it is 3. 3 plus 3, 3 in your mind, 3 in your hand. After 3 it is 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6996. Thank you all for watching my video. If you are not subscribed my channel, just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Even smash the like button. I have given the part 1, part 2 and part 3's link in the description and one exercise. Please do it. If any doubt, just comment it in the comment box. Thank you.